Mabuhay everyone. What's up?
Oh, hi everyone! Good morning! Magandang umaga sa ating lahat! Magandang hapon, magandang gabi!
J-Boy the Black Filipino, thank you guys for joining. We're going to do part 2 of the gate in the wet kitchen. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's show you the videos, what the carpenter's doing. And don't forget to smash that like button, tell a friend. And we look forward to seeing you.
Durupi ay ano hay.
Ito pala pader pa rin. Ano yung nagayot dito? Ito pala. Dalawa pala to. Yan. Rapetkan. Buksan mo. Drop. Sama natin. Drop.